If it is cellular, $1 for 1 GB. For hosting, $0.3 for 1 GB. For residential network, $0.8 for 1 GB.
Hello everyone, welcome again. This is your boy Aki with another latest way to make money with. If you want to get passive online income video or how to get money from home, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, and also smash the like button and get ready for the video. If you have comments, suggestion or question, let me know in the comment section. Keep watching up to the end so you don't miss any steps.
This is a platform that will allow you to earn by sharing your unused internet bandwidth with their customers. What they do is sell it to companies that are doing social media marketing or data collection service, and in return you will be compensated for the bandwidth you share. It is also like Honeygain or IP Royal, which is another platform that offers some kind of opportunity. It's a legit site since it will pay you for sharing your unused bandwidth. Now I will show you how to make money on this website. So guys, I have placed the link in the description below. Click the link and I will be redirected to this website. You can register with Google, or you can fill your name, email, password and confirm your password and sign up. After you signed up, click on the three line and change the language to English, and you will find dashboard, payout, my network, my referral, download and install, help and information. So click on dashboard. As you can see, there is your income information, traffic rate for your network or for the referral network. If your network is business network, you will be paid out $0.3 for 1 GB you sold, and if it is cellular, $1 for 1 GB. For hosting, $0.3 for 1 GB. For residential network, $0.8 for 1 GB, and for other networks it is $0.3 for 1 GB. If it is your referral network for business, $0.5 for 1 GB, $0.5 for 1 GB. If it is hosting, $0.15 for 1 GB. If it is residential, $0.4 for 1 GB. If it is for other network, $0.15 for 1 GB will be credited to your account. So again, click on the three line and click download or install. Then as you can see, you can download for your PC, for your Android, for your Linux, for your Mac OS, Ubuntu. There is a software for your all devices. Click the software to install on your device. So I will choose Android, click OK, and then install the application. So Android system may load this application after a while. To save battery power, to get the maximum income, turn off saving and turn on auto start for this application in the setting below. Click turn on auto start. Set battery optimization for this application to don't optimize, or you can set these settings later. In order to start selling your unused internet, you should have to place your email that you use to open the account on the website. Then click start peer-to-profit service. This application is incompatible with VPN, proxy, internet optimizers and other software that directly affect your device internet connection. In the case of using this software together with this application, the app will not guarantee the stable functioning of the application. So don't use VPN, proxy and internet optimizers. So this application is running now. You can continue. Use your smartphone as usual. Click on minimize app. On the notification panel you can see the app is running. Go back to the website. You will see your income information, your earning from your peers, your earning from referrals, and you will see your total. And also you can find your referral link. You can share it for your family, friends. Click on the three line and click payout. Transaction with cryptocurrency on the network are irreversible, and this website cannot influence this. Enter only Bitcoin address, not other addresses. Knowing this, in order not to lose your funds, it is very important to make sure that your Bitcoin address is correct. Paste your Bitcoin address and save it. The minimum amount to withdraw is $10. Check the availability of the minimum amount to receive in your Bitcoin wallet. If you withdraw an amount from this application that is less than the wallet limit, the fund will be irretrievably lost. So in order to receive your payout, you should order when you reach the minimum payout. This is the best way to earn passive online income.
So that's it everyone, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you how to earn. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Stay cool and have a great day.